Hello guys, in this video I'm going to reveal to you how to make money online only by walking on your street. So this method is crazy guys, it is insane. You have no idea how easy this method is. Okay, so if that is what you're interested in, stick with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to reveal to you the hack, the idea out of the box, how you can actually make these things happen. Okay, so before we start, if this is your first time, if you are new to my channel, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. In this channel, I talk a lot about how to make money online, the easiest way possible. And if that kind of content is your jam, consider subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you could find some value from my video. Okay, so I want to draw attention to this particular channel over here, Nomadic Ambience. Okay, for your information, this channel, what it does is it literally walking around the street and then filming and re-upload it back on YouTube. Okay, so let's take a look at one of his videos. This is, by the way, the most viewed video, 9 million views, right? Uploaded like 3 years ago. And as you can see here, this type of channel can be monetized, guys, so you don't have to worry. See, there is another ads over here. It can be monetized. So if I play this video,
hey Daniel,
this is actually ads,
how
right?
much if I sell this online?
This is an ad.
What's this? This is a snow goggle. Let me research.
So I'm going to skip the ads, and then we're going to take a look at the video. New York street sounds. Take a look at this idea, guys. This is crazy idea, guys. What you need to do is literally walking around and make money, right? Upload it back. And this guy over here has been walking for almost an hour, right? So you can do this on your way to your work, on your way home, you know, or maybe on the weekend if you don't have anything to do, or you are on the way to some place. You can share this thing. And as a matter of fact, now with the pandemic, a lot of people locked down at home, so they wanted to see something like this, you know. They couldn't travel around the places, and then they wanted to do something like this. They want to see other people city, other people's country. So if you are actually, maybe you are from Japan, you're from Nigeria, or you from some other country, you can share your place, right? So that is the idea of making this type of video. All right, so now I'm going to share with you how much money that this type of channel are making. Okay, so take a look at this one, Newbie Ambience. So approximately estimated monthly earning is 400 to 7k. I would say approximately maybe this channel has gotten like 5 to 6k per month, right? Only by walking, guys, only by walking. All right, so take a look at the last 30 days subscribers is 16,000 subscribers. Okay, so it just started somewhere in July 2 years ago. So this channel has been pretty consistent. So now let's take a look at other channel that doing the exact same thing like the other channel, right? So just type in walking around. So take a look at this one, walking around. Okay, win walk travel video. So all this channel just do the exact same things. As it's pretty crazy. This idea is really mind-blowing. Okay, take a look at this channel, this video here, a night walking around in Jakarta, 8k videos. This is very high quality videos. There's never a boring moment when watching a channel. See, a lot of people also will engage this type of videos, right? And you need to know something, that YouTube really particular and really measure how engaging your video is, right? So if your video is so engaging, then they're going to boost more your videos to the search, or maybe they're going to also suggest that your videos to others from other videos as well. Okay, so you might want to have a very engaging videos. So like this, maybe people going to put a lot of comment that maybe they wanted to go that place, or maybe you are from Asia, so some people from the West may be interested to go to Asia, and then you can keep on reply with them, right? And then your video is going to get a lot of engagement. Okay, So this one is walking around Osaka. So they're just walking somewhere in front of the shopping mall, or maybe you can do some activities, you know, buy stuff, shopping, stuff like that, and you can describe about the things, you know, about the place that you are walking around. It's crazy how every person walking story life as character. See, people tend to engage with this type of content because this is not, they're not selling anything. This is not an ad, but it's kind of like sharing things, you know. So people love to engage with a story, with this kind of content. Okay, so there are so many bunch of videos just like this, right? Walking Aroju. This is in Japan. See, so if you are actually coming from like outskirt area, rural area, you can also share about your village, about something interesting, something unique at your place and stuff like that. Okay, this is from my country actually. This is from KL. Let's take a look. 60k 68,000 subscribers with only walking around channel, walking around videos. This is very, very powerful, and yet this type of channel can be monetized, guys. I showed you previously the channel, the video with an ads right in front, right before the channel start. Okay, and you can also monetize your channel if you want to double down your income. Instead of just rely on YouTube ads revenue, you can also put maybe you can suggest them the camera that you're using, you know, like this one, and maybe you can put your affiliate link from Amazon and stuff like that. Then you can literally make more income with this particular content. Okay, so that's all, guys. I hope you can take action with this type of content. This is very, very powerful. This is very, very easy type of content to make. You don't even have to talk a word. You just need to walk around and filming your journey. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.